Hi friends, let me show you these beautiful plastic plant pots that I received for reviewing purposes. You get 3 units, okay? They are different sizes. They are 12, 10 and 9 inches in size, okay? And let me tell you that they are self-watering, okay? You get a user manual here. The absorbent rope that you will use so the water will flow up to the plant, and these water lips. Let me put together one so I can explain how it works. Okay, first you want to put the rope, the absorbing rope, through these holes in the bottom part. So this rope will get the water from the water recipient and take it up to the plant's pot, okay? You want to put it here, turn it a little bit so it locks and it won't fall down, okay? You have the rope there, and here in this space you will put the water lip, okay? This only means that it will make it easier for you to pour water inside the water base so the rope can do its work. The rope will get water from the water tank to the soil and to the plant's pot, okay? So if you need new plant pots and the kind that water themselves, you can choose these ones. They will look really, really nice in your home, in your office, in your patio, wherever you need them, and you will have a beautiful plant pot everywhere. Thank you.